Shall we do a car review?
Let's.
Just for the heck of it?
I've got it ready.
All right, and then we'll do the cruising calendar right after, okay? But first, let's do the review of the 2023 Toyota GR86. Oh, I know it's not GR, it's GR, okay. For all you Toyota freaks out there, don't get your panties in a wad. Available trim levels, base, premium, and special edition. I reviewed the premium. This is called a mini compact. We call it a sports car. 2 passengers. Oh, it does have back seats. You ain't getting a human being in there with legs in it, I can tell you that. It's too small. Maybe for a kid to sit Indian style in the back seat, but that'd be all about you could do. It's all new in 2022. It looks like a Nissan Z with the rectangle grille, and I'm sure that's what they're going after. Fastback design with a duck-bill spoiler and dual exhaust tips. I got a lot of looks in this car. A lot of thumbs up. Pronounced exterior door sill down at the bottom. Big brake vents up front. Black wheels. Looks mean. Lots of, like I said, thumbs up acknowledgement by lots of admirers. What could use improvement? Car numbers on the door. Pick a number, and the factory supplies the car with a number that you can stick on the side of it, because that's what it needs.
Like a Celine.
Yeah. Or any kind of a weekend racer car. Just keep the number on it during the week. Interior highlights, minimalist design with conservative dash styling. Comfortable, wraparound supportive seating up front. Small infotainment screen works well. Traction control button on the center console, which I thought was funny. All the thing you want to do with that is turn it off and turn sideways down the push. Yeah. Cargo trunk room, tiny. What I like, the race car look. All it needs is a roll bar, and I'm sure you can get them in the aftermarket. What could use improvement? Keep the entry level price point. Simplicity is good in a car like this, is what I said. So here's the engine. 2.4 liter boxer engine, horizontally opposed, that has 228 horsepower, which is a lot for this car because it doesn't weigh much. 184 pound-feet of torque. 6-speed manual transmission. An automatic is available, but you don't want to do that. That defeats the purpose. 20 miles per gallon city, 27 highway for a combined of 22. I got 27.4 miles per gallon over 307 miles. But remember, my freeway trips are basically down the Beltway. So 70, 75 miles an hour for a number of miles. What I liked about the motor, power matched to the car. It's not overpowered, but I think that it works for the general public for this thing. Me, personally, I'd like to have a power adder on it.
Little turbo.
Little turbo, yeah, something. Ride and handling, it handled like a NASCAR road course car. It rode like a NASCAR race car. This thing is stiff and will beat you up. So if you're not used to it or ready for something like that, I would definitely not buy it until you actually rode it. Base trim price, $33,211. Price is tested $34,306. The base model price, $28,400. Competitors, all right? The Subaru BRZ, which is basically the same car with a different nose and tail on it. That's
Same
it.
engine.
Same engine. And they, for whatever reason, want another $195 for the base price, so it starts at $28,595 for the Subaru name, I guess. Mazda MX-5 Miata RF, which is the hardtop convertible, that starts at $35,750. The soft top starts at $28,000, so that's in competition with that. And the Ford Mustang. And I put that in there because what other car would you put up against it? This would be the EcoBoost 4-banger in the Mustang that starts at $27,700. So
in the price range.
Yeah, and it also has a back seat that you can squeeze a couple of people back there. It's
in the
tight
Mustang.
in the Mustang. So
it has because when I first walked up the driveway last week, it has a bit of a Supra-ish look.
Yes, it does.
To the front end of it, that the way that nose or the proboscis.
Well, it's got a Lexus look.
It's a combination of several things.
Yeah.
And,
to me.
I didn't think it looked bad, but I've heard from other people that it rides like a go-kart. It rides very stiff.
Yes, it's very stiff.
Which some people love.
Yeah.
Some people don't.